Watu wangu, leo naletea hii fridge hapa. Hii ukirestock vizuri inatoa treats zikiwa under lock and key. Acha tuicheki. Hii ni 420 liters double door fridge ya TCL na inakaa hivi on the inside. Cheki tu vile imeiva. Cheki tu vile inakaa poa. So this fridge, it's a no frost fridge. Iko na the circulator system on the freezer. This is the fridge part. Na iko na fresh zone down there. Iko na LED light on the inside ya kukusaidia uone vizuri. Alafu hii fridge inakuja na water dispenser. This is the compartment for the water dispenser, 2.5 liters capacity. Unaweza weka hapa maji, soda, wine, anything. Itatoka ikiwa fresh barida on the outside. Hapa this fridge has a very wide compartment setting on the inside na inakaa hivi. Halafu guys, as you can see, iko na another LED blue light hapa for aesthetics. Ndo hii unaiona ukifungua fridge ama ukifunga, iko hapo. Iko na 3-star energy rating, kumaanisha ni more stars, more savings. It is very eco-friendly. Alafu hii fridge iko na control panel on the inside hapa. Unaweza regulate temperature hivyo, either for the freezer ama for the fridge, and this for the zone is where you get to change zones, either freezer ama fridge. Inakaa hivyo. And it only goes for 77,000 Kenyan shillings only, and after you make a purchase you get a free fridge guard. It is this fridge, you can shop it on our website. We go by www.atenzahomeappliances.co.ke, or you can visit our physical store. We are located at the former Nakumatt Lifestyle, which is currently Naivas Lifestyle, Mezzanine 1, shop number 2.